So today we will discuss a short introduction of computer integrated manufacturing system, that is also called as a CIM. So CIM it is a management philosophy in which functions of design and manufacturing are rationalized and coordinated using computer, communication and information technology. So in CIM, computers are used for communication and information technology is also used for implementing computer integrated manufacturing system. So in CIM, everywhere in each workstation we are going to use a computer. We may use different softwares in computer integrated manufacturing system. So there we have to use softwares like SAP software, softwares like CATIA, softwares like ProE, ANSYS softwares. So as per the requirement of the work or requirement of the task, we have to implement a software in CIM. So CIM only works by using computers. Now let us see few components of computer integrated manufacturing system. So these are the elements of CIM. First one, we will discuss marketing, then part and product design, then tool and fixture design, then process planning, purchasing, manufacturing, automation, storage and retrieval system, information management system, and finance. So these are the key features, or we can call it as a key points of computer integrated manufacturing system. Now here, while discussing a CIM, marketing is discussed at the first stage. So marketing, we are just right now we are doing this marketing task by using internet, by using social media with different advertising elements, digital advertising elements. We are executing marketing strategies. So marketing is advertisement. It is just an advertisement and we market the product. Now in this marketing step there is also one important step, that is also that is called as a customer feedback, and that is also taken electronically. So the marketing is happening nowadays electronically. Electronic feedbacks are generated, advertisement through computers, through digital media. So there is also influence of computer. So marketing is taken under CIM. Then part and product design. So part and product designs are two different things. First of all, let us understand what is a part. Part is a separate component and product is a assembly of different parts. Understand this difference clearly. Part is a separate component and product is a assembly of different parts, and that is also done by using softwares like CATIA, ProE, Unigraphics. So in CATIA software we do the product design, ProE software we do the product design. All CAD softwares are implemented for product design procedure, and same procedure is implemented for tool and fixture designs. So tool and fixture designs, tool selection and fixture designs is almost done by using software nowadays. Suppose you want to drill many components, or you want to drill one component with a number of holes, so you need a proper fixture, and that is also suggested by a software. So tool and fixture, proper selection of tool and design of fixture, it is done with the help of softwares. Some ready-made fixture designs are also available nowadays in software. So for example, I will quote here the name of softwares like Solid Edge, SolidWorks. These two softwares are having ready-made designs of different tools and different fixtures. I am repeating, Solid Edge and SolidWorks. These are two advanced softwares nowadays available in market. You can also search their tutorials on YouTube. Next step in CIM is a process planning. Computer aided process planning, that is also called as a CAPP, with the use of SAP software. Production planning is done. Manufacturing, all steps of manufacturing are planned by using CAPP, computer aided process planning. So there you need softwares. The MNC uses softwares like SAP, but the vendor industries or small scale industries, they use Microsoft Excel for production planning, for executing all elements of manufacturing process. They use Microsoft Excel. So as per the requirement of the process, as per the scale of the industry, it may be medium scale, small scale industry or MNC, you have to select a proper software and you may go for the process planning. But I recommend, if your production is a mass production, you should use a proper professional software like SAP. There you can go for the different bill of materials, inventory storage, rest of the steps are available that we will discuss later on. But all elements, all step by step recording of each manufacturing, so it is done with the help of softwares. So step by step recording of each manufacturing process, it must be recorded and inspected by using computer or CIM. That is done with the help of software only. So manually it is not possible, or I will say it is very difficult or critical task to inspect all the production process in mass production. So mass production is a difficult task and it is very lengthy, so you cannot go recording of each manufacturing step by using human interference. You need software. Then next is the purchasing process. Purchasing is also done electronically nowadays. All the quotations of purchasing, then comparative statements of different purchasing is done electronically, or it's done by using computer. Automatically proper quotation is selected among the sets of different invited quotations, and you can put the purchase orders. So there is also implementation of computers. Then manufacturing process. So till date we have seen all manufacturing in CAD/CAM is done with the help of computers. Therefore it is called as a CAM. We use softwares like Delcam, softwares like Mastercam for writing part programs, and that we use to manufacture the component. Also during the manufacturing process, we use different automated robots for material handling system. Next, it is the automation part. Some students have confusion that automation is done with the help of computers only. So automation is that something that we do with less human interference. Automation is something that we do with less human interference. So it is not mandatory to use the computer every time. But we can use the computer in automation process, and that we are doing in CAM, that we are doing in computer aided manufacturing system. So automation is better, or is done, or it is executed very well by using computers. Then storage and retrieval system is also done by using softwares. It is done by using computers. Inventory storage. Inventory is called as a storage of different components, storage of raw materials, and that is done with the help of computers. Information management system, obviously nowadays every industry, every organization stores the information in a computer, stores the information online or internet, and according to the information available, their manufacturing processes are simplified, their selection processes are simplified. So many things in manufacturing and design, these are simplified because of information management by using computers. And obviously finance related aspects, these are simplified by using computers. So these points I have explained here, which are the basic points in CIM. These are not vast things. Simply you can understand, as far as mechanical engineering is concerned, we use AutoCAD softwares for drafting of the component. We use CAE software like ANSYS for testing of the component, and we use CAD softwares for modeling of the component. So there is an influence of computer at every step of design and manufacturing. That is simply a concept of computer integrated manufacturing system. It is not different than as we think. So CIM is implemented everywhere. Nowadays there are Android applications that does a task of information management, that does a task of process planning. So it is a simplified, technology is advanced. So we do not need to go for computer or sit in front of the machine every time. Android applications are also coming into picture for simplifying these all elements of CIM. Many times question is asked in examination at explain elements of CIM in detail. So you can list out these and you can explain each point as per your judgment, or you may read the notes, you may understand something in the depth. So this was about computer integrated manufacturing system. You may watch this lecture on youtube.com later on, and we will put one quiz on Moodle and you may solve that quiz. But this is an important bit in CAD/CAM subject.